Introducing Omnivise Remote Operator Rounds and Inspections, the ultimate solution to elevate your plant operations to new heights. With Omnivise, you can now provide your workforce with unparalleled support while paving the way to a future of remote operation and autonomous plant management. Omnivise is designed to free plant operators from repetitive or hazardous tasks, allowing them to focus on more critical aspects of the job. Our cutting-edge technology increases the reliability of measurements and utilizes all available data from the field, ensuring maximum efficiency and productivity. But that's not all. Omnivise also explores the possibilities of emerging technologies, such as image analytics and robotics, opening a world of new opportunities for your plant operations. With Omnivise, you can take your plant operations to the next level and revolutionize the way you work. Don't wait. Join the future of plant management today. With Omnivise, you can enjoy a fully digital workflow, from defining and planning tasks to executing them on mobile devices, storing the results for trending and further analysis, and complete documentation. Our cutting-edge technology is designed to support plant operators in their daily activities, allowing them to work smarter, not harder. New methods such as image analytics and the integration of emerging technologies for right-sizing the workforce, providing the insights you need to transform how you operate your plant. With Omnivise, you can start with small improvements to your daily operations and gradually digitize and automate your entire approach to operator rounds and inspections at your own pace. Omnivise offers a holistic approach to operator rounds and inspections, allowing you to define relevant inspection points, capture data, and use it as digital inputs in diagnostics for systematic asset performance management. The solution is made up of 4 OAM modules: reliability, operations, maintenance, and diagnostics, each designed to optimize your asset management game. With reliability, you can define a strategy that includes inspection points, maneuvers, time intervals, and thresholds. Operations and maintenance allow you to configure checklists and plan rounds, triggering operator rounds and maintenance inspections. The e-checklist is ready for execution by both humans and machines, with results uploaded for further analysis. And with operations, maintenance, and diagnostics, you can analyze the data and schedule the related actions such as opening a work request, logging an event, or closing a task and work order. The implementation of a digital round in your power plant will increase plant reliability, relieve plant personnel, increase workplace safety, increase the reproducibility of technical processes, and allow for a faster response to disturbances. Would you like to boost reliability while increasing workplace safety and improving efficiency? Omnivise Remote Operator Rounds and Inspection Solutions will help you achieve your goals.